Hi, Stevie Lynn here. And today I am duping a retro wartime recipe and making it vegetarian. You might know it as creamed chipped beef, but since there's no dried beef in it, we are just going to call it shiitake on a shingle, referring to the original wartime slang. My dad loves this shit. The first thing we need to do is pat our shiitakes dry, slice them thinly, cover them with a couple tablespoons of olive oil, mix them all up and make sure that they are evenly spread out, and put them in an oven set at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Recently getting flack for my knife skills from folks, so I want to remind y'all here, I don't make these videos to encourage perfection or fear. I do them to encourage fun and creativity in the kitchen. I am not a chef. I am an unruly home cook, a feral housewife, and I have never cut off a finger. That said, keep your fingers away from the knives and always be mindful of what you are doing. Now to our sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and here you should probably saute the onions and garlic in the butter first before adding the flour. It would be so much easier. However, I had a brain fart and I made a mistake. Glad it happened because it gives me an opportunity to show you that mistakes can happen without impacting the results. Now pull your crispy, chewy, caramelized shiitakes out of the oven. They are amazing. And blend them into the cream sauce. Ladle the sauce over your shingles, aka toast, and sprinkle on some parsley from your feral garden.